afternoon, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. The time of this video is being made. Here I am with my original Prusa Mini. My first 3D printer that I've been wanting to get for a long time. It's kind of my late birthday gift because of COVID. 2-month back order on this, but I know it was well worth the wait. So I'm just gonna jump in, start taking things out of the box, do a little unboxing, and it won't take too long, I hope. So bear with me. I'll just pick and choose everything out of this box, show you what it is, and we'll get to the assembly, which I will make that video a bit later. I'm just trying to get as much done as I can on the weekend. Alright, let's get started. Congratulations on getting the brand new original Prusa printer. We'd like to take this moment to thank you again for buying the printer directly from Joseph Prusa. You have supported further development, and we will do our best to help you start printing as soon as possible. And it looks like just a bunch of pages to visit, guides, drivers for the printer, and different info sites as well. And signed by Joseph Prusa, and looks like parts list may be included in this box. Prusa cheat sheet. This is a receipt for everything that is included in the box. It's basically like a test list. So right up here is the hot end heating measurement graph and the heat bed heating measurement graph below, just showing how fast and how gradual the heating of the nozzle and the heat bed is. So they include all that info in your box for the printer that you bought specifically. So they all have been tested and before they've been shipped out. So we have here a USB stick, which is really cool. I like how it looks. And it says USB drive with firmware, so don't lose that. Okay. 3D printing handbook. I don't need that. Just kidding, I may need that. Of course, every box comes with a Haribo gummy bears, just so you can kind of snack away while you're assembling your printer. Power cable. This is my filament sensor. This was an additional $20 US. So when you're printing and your filament runs out and you're not around to keep track of it, this will detect when that line runs out, and then you can add more filament to your printer, and then your print doesn't become interrupted or messed up. So that's what this is for. Probably important for me. This is the spool holder. You assemble this, you put the spool into, it has wheels here somewhere, bearings that you put the spool in, and as it prints, the spool just turns, sitting inside of this holder. I'll show you later when it's assembled. And this is the Steel Sheet Mini PEI. This is the bed that the prints will be printed onto. There was another type of sheet that was an additional, I think, $20 to get, but I didn't think I'd need it, so we'll stick with the standard bed. This is a isopropyl alcohol wet wipe cleaning accessories, probably for the nozzle. And these are the wheel bearings for that spool holder. We have some test filament. Nice, came with some red. I didn't order any red. It looks like they gave me some more Galaxy Black, which I bought. I'll show you in a little bit. We have different accessories as well, spare parts. Looks like they give you a little wrench, 3D printed wrench. This is going to be fun. I enjoy this. If you don't know, I enjoy building stuff. And this is lubricant, in case things get a little dry. LCD. This is where all the info, print info, and basically everything you are going to be navigating through to start your print. Wonder if there's going to be anything on the computer I have to download, so I don't always have to use the LCD. We'll find out. This looks incredible. Actually, let's get some Blue's box first. This side. This might be the power supply. Yep, power supply. So this is the arm. Really have your X and Y axes and Z axis. So this is awesome. Alright. Probably move this box out of the way now so I can put this down on the table. And the last thing is the bed. I'm just going to pull it out nice and gently. Steady as she goes. Oh yeah. Here it is. There's the I don't know what happened there. Video paused. I guess it was a certain time limit. Hopefully I'm not running out of space in my drive for video. Okay. So that is everything that's in the box. Not much else to really say at the moment, other than I'm going to be doing a time-lapse video of me constructing this, and then we can just go through a little bit of a setup. But, oh, this is going to be fun. This is my Thanksgiving weekend. apologize, everyone. I don't know what happened. I was constantly stopping and recording that time-lapse video, and I lost half of it. I'm guessing from the software I'm currently using, which I purchased a while ago, so could be a glitch. Could be my storage space ran out at some point, but I don't think that was the case. So, moving on, I'm very impressed with the Prusa Mini. I had to do some maintenance right out of the box, which I didn't expect to do right away. What happened was the extruder gear attached to the stepper motor, so right in the back here. The set screw on the shaft came loose, and I was getting a massive amount of grinding sounds that were freaking me out, that I had to keep resetting the printer, and I just couldn't figure it out until I had to just do some research on Prusa's website and found a guide how to check that specific gear and what the issue could have been. So that helped a lot, and it wasn't that difficult to do. But other than that, I've had no issues with the printer so far. I've had a couple of trial and error. Like, it's gonna happen. Any printer anyone ever buys for the first time is gonna have to do a lot of just trying to figure out the tweaks, the calibrations to the specific plastic you're going to use. So currently I'm using PETG. I'm just printing out a template right now for one of the projects that I'm going to be doing at the moment. I'll get into it into a later video, but so far I've printed these shelving supports. Hey, if you recognize them already, then you know that I'm building, but I will give you a progress update on the project. I didn't make myself. Another creator made this project, so I am replicating that. I will give details of that later on as I make more content, but look at the quality of the print. And this is not PETG, this is PLA, Galaxy Black. But that is nice. I love that. So far I've printed 7 of those, and they take a couple hours to print each, well, 3 at a time, but maybe over 10 hours, which is not bad. What I want to do next is set up the networking, so if I'm at work I can somehow monitor my prints and shut it down if there's an issue. So far you need a Raspberry Pi for the software. I don't have one, I've not bought one yet. Very good at Arduino programming, but yeah, it's something I may have to get into just to may take this a little bit further. But otherwise, I am impressed. Hoping it'll last me a long time, as long as I do the general maintenance to it. That's all I have to say. Assembly was easy. We go back to that. Assembly was really easy. The spool holder I will show you near the end of this video. I'll show you the Prusa mint that I purchased. You can see here is the Galaxy Black that I just showed you with those prints just right here, and the Azure Blue, which I haven't opened yet. I want to save that. And this is Flex Fill. This is the flexible plastic, which I do not want to use yet. I have a different plan for that. And of course the PETG orange. and I ordered just some white PLA from Prime Day on Amazon. And yeah, I'll just end the video with a bit more footage, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, please, and let's connect. I want to hear what your views are on this printer, and any recommendations you'd like to share with me. I'm open to them. Alright, thank you, and have a good day, and take care.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
I ask you about love, how they quote me a song. But you've never looked at a woman and been totally vulnerable. Oh my God, what an angel on earth just for you. Could rescue you from the depths of hell, and you wouldn't know what it's like to be her angel.